We have this homework too. There's an issue that was raised in the Discord channel where the problem is we have 3 problem and 3 tests. For the first 2 problems, they're fine. You can you're supposed to be able to run them separately. But because of the fact that if you go to, for example, homework 3, there's something missing, and we need to figure it is. We need to figure this part out before the code even compile. And since we have this kind of thing, if we say, I want to start with homework 1, if I just try to run this, and you will see that because the whole problem is not compiling, see problem 3, that just means we are not able to run a single test 1 or 2 because test 3 is not compiling. We do want to be able to run this test separately. So if you start with, for example, for the problem 1 and 2, and then you move on to 3, what you can do to prevent this from happening is you go to here, go to preference, and in the build execution deployment, there's a compiler and there's exclude. Just by the name of it, exclude means when we compile this project, do not just ignore the files in here, right? So what we can do is just add. And let's see. Let's just go back to homework 2. Essentially, we select the folder that has problem 3. So that's that, right? And let's select the test folder. Let's just go here, src, test, Java, and test 3. Okay, apply, and once we have OK, you can see that it has this cross mark on it. That just means they will be ignored by the compiler. So what we have is now problem 1, problem 2, problem 1 test, and the problem 2 test. Let's go to problem 1 test. Say we want to start, just run this test for now. As you can see now, it's able to run it. We see the test at least compile and was able to run. Same deal with test 2. We have this, and yeah, the same story. We have the same failure. So by just exclude the problem 3 and the problem 3 test at this moment, we are able to continue to work on problem 1 and 2. And once you are done with the first 2, we can just remove, just go back here and yeah, go back here and just click this and click this to remove them from the setup. And after you do that, you should be able to continue to see that there's no check mark here anymore. So now we can just go ahead and try to run this, the third test. Okay, so that's how you got around the problem where one of the problem is not compiling. This is actually not the best idea for any code you get from GitHub. Anything you get from GitHub, they're supposed to compile. So in the future homework, I will prevent this thing from happening again. Okay, thank you.